everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Priyabrat. In today's video, we solve question in LeetCode question number 1399, count largest group. We are solving a very interesting LeetCode problem, counting largest group. At first glance, this question may look confusing, but once you understand the logic, it becomes one of the easiest HashMap problems. In this video, we will learn digit sum techniques, HashMap frequency counting, grouping logic, and efficiency problem solving approach. And we will solve everything step by step in C++. So, uh, what's the problem statement here given? We are given an integer n. Our task is to take all the number from 1 to n and find the digit sum of every number. Group number having the same digit number and return how many groups have the largest size. So here given an example n equal to 13. Here given output is 4. So there are 9 groups in total and there are grouped associate sum of its digits and number from 1 to 13. Here given an example, there are 4 group with large size means 110, 211, 312, 413 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 but not having that number here. So here the 4 size is the output. Then another example given, input is 2 then output is 2. There are 2 groups 1 and 2 of size 1. So that here we find the size of group first, then we find total number of that size present. What our approach to solve this question? The core idea is simple. For every number, calculate its digit sum, then store frequency of that number sum in a hash map. After processing all numbers, find the maximum frequency, count how many groups that frequency. This is clean and optimized counting problem. So let's start the code. First we write unordered map, unordered map. After that we take unordered map to find frequency 1. So int, then we take another int. We take variable mp. So write mp map. After that we run the for loop for int I equal to 0, then I less than equal to n I plus plus. After that we run int num, that having I1 to store. After that we take the sum to find the sum of the number, then sum equal to variable 0. After that we run a while loop. So here we run while loop, then check num greater than 0, then we sum of the number, right? So sum plus equal to num modulus 10. After that we write num divided by 10. After that we map the sum plus plus. So we write here mp sum plus plus. After that we take an integer max int max equal to 0. Taken variable maxi int equal to 0. After that we run the for loop. So we write for auto it mp, that then we find the maximum one. So maxi equal to maxi comma it dot second After that, we take here we now take an variable count to count the value. How many same size having to count that one? So we take variable count equal to 0. After that, we run follow auto it mp. After that, we check if the condition if it dot second equal to maxi, then count plus plus. After that, we return the count one. So return count. Now we run the code of given examples. Here the given example test cases are passed. Now we check how the code works. Here we write. So unordered map intent this stores the digit sum frequency. After that we run we take given example means one that gives count to two. After that we take two. So after that we run a for loop from int I equal to 1 and I less than equal to n I plus plus. Here we proceed every number. After that we take while loop which seen and nums greater than 0. After that we take great last digit means sum of the number of last digit then and divide by 10 to remove the last digit. After that for example, here we take an example of num equal to 13. That num modulus 13 equal to 3. That sum is 3. After that, 1 modulus of 10 equal to 1. That sum equal to 4. After that, we write MP sum that if digit is 4 then frequency of group 4 increases. After that we write a maximum to find the maximum number of frequency. It dot second means frequency, we store the largest frequency. After that we count the largest frequency. If a group has maximum size then check we count plus plus. Now we dry run the code to explain easily to understand the question. So here we taken an example n equal to 13. So here we write n equal to 13. So first we check a number from 1. So here number 1, then the digit sum also 1. After that here is number 2. After that here number is 2. Then the digit sum also 2. After that here number is 3. Then the digit sum also 3. After that here number 4. Then the digit sum also 4. Here is number 5. Then the digit sum also 5. After that here number is 6. Then the digit sum also 6. After that here number 7. Then the digit sum also 7. After that here number 8. Then the digit sum also 8. After that we take number 9. So here digit sum also here 9. After that we take digit 10. Now here digit sum is 1. 1 plus 0 means 1. After that we go number 11. So the digit sum of number 11 1 plus 1 is 2. After that we go number 12. Here the digit sum means 1 plus 2 equal to 3. After go we take digit sum 13. Here 1 plus 3 is 4. Then the digit sum is 4. So here we take the number. Here is number is take as 1. Here for 2, here number also takes 2. After that here 3, the number take is 3. After that here 4, the number is take 4. After that here number 5. So here take also 5. After that here number 6. Here also take 6. After that number 7. Here also take number 7. After that here number 8. Here also number 8. After we go another 9. Sorry, here also 9. After we go another now 10. Here 10 is sum is 1, means 1 comma. So here write 1 comma 10. After for 11 it's 2 comma 11 sum. After that we go 12. So here 3 comma 12. After go with 13. So here 4 comma 13. According to our approach, first we find the largest frequency 1. So here the largest frequency size is 2. Here see that all the frequency have 1. At last 4 having the largest frequency is 2. So here we write largest frequency size equal to 2. Now we find the largest frequency size 2 having how many number are times counted. So we write the count 1 here, total count 1 2 3 4. Then the our total answer count answer equal to 4. That's our answer of this question. Now we here submit the code. Here code is submitted. So this question, the complexity of this question, because here with time complexity is OF n log n, because digit extract takes a logarithm times, and the space complexity of this question is OF n. So for hash map storage. This problem teaches some very important concept: hash map frequency counting, digit manipulation, grouping techniques, and mathematical thinking. These concepts are extremely useful in hash mapping problems, frequency problems, number theory question, and competitive programming. Comment below, did you solve this problem before watching the video, and also tell me which LeetCode problem should I solve the next. And that's how we solve count largest group in C++ using an optimized hash map approach. If this video helped you, like the video, comment, share doubt, subscribe for more LeetCode and DSA content. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.